chika. Hi everyone, it's Dayan and welcome back again for another vlog here in my YouTube channel. We're still in Japan, and if you are new to my channel, please like, share, and subscribe. And also if you want to get updated whenever I upload new video, please hit that notification bell para lagi ka ma-notify every time na mag-upload ako ng vlog. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. At comment ka na din. Thank you! Good morning, everyone! It's Dayan again, and welcome back for another walk tour vlog here in Japan. I am currently now here in Yokohama. Papunta po tayo sa Family Mart. May order lang ako doon. And it's nice to be back here in Japan doing a vlog. Yes. Kasalukuyan po tayo pupunta sa Family Mart. Kasi nagkikrave ako dun sa sausage. Talaga na gusto kong kainin. Kaso nga lang yung 7-Eleven, I don't know. Wala silang ganun. Oh my God. Windang ako, sis! Ayan. So, dun tayo papunta sa Family Mart. Maganda ngayon ang panahon. Very sunny. And at the same time, ito yung kung saan maganda talaga mag-picnic. Wala pa rin naman mga masyadong cherry blossom ngayon. Lalo na dun sa malapit kung saan ako nakatira. Family Mart. Ito pong malaking daan na to is papuntang Kawasaki and Yokohama Station. Kaya gusto ko talagang mag-vlog hanggang nandito ako kasi nga I don't know. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung isa sa mga railway nila. Sa taas. Tingin. Kabila. Yan. Nakalabas tayo ngayon sa hawla. Kasi kahapon, ang lakas ng ulan, grabe. Hindi maganda yung weather. Tapos naman ako mag-picture dito kaya pwede na tayo mag-vlog. So this is my 5th day here in Japan. Kagaya ng sinabi ko, kakadating ko lang nung Saturday, Sunday, and then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday ngayon. So it's my 5th day here in Japan. Ayan o, Family Mart. Pasok lang tayo dito ng very light. May gusto ko ditong bilhin eh. Mamaya na, ha? Balikan ko kayo guys. Dito tayo sa Family Mart. Ganito yung itsura ng Family Mart nila. Para siyang all-in-one grocery. Pero sila lang gusto ko. Bibili tayo. Ang chika. Ito yung favorite ko na sausage dito guys. Ang sarap na ito. Ito at kakain tayo ngayon ng sausage. Ito yung pinaka-favorite na talaga na sausage dito. Dry sausage. Ito naman, ito yung sauce niya. So, ang pagbukas dito, ganun lang sa gitna. Itutulak mo lang sa gitna. Yan, tapos ipapalaman nyo na. Guys, try nyo. Ang sarap na ito. Kaya ko umubos ito ng 5. Dry sausage. Sobrang sarap. Last bite. Sarap. We're back to the vlog. Ayan. At pabalik na tayo sa akin apartment niya. Medyo napagod tayo kakakain. Nako. Hindi alam ni Apam na kumain ako. Ang sarap. Grabe. Sobrang sarap na. Bilisan lang natin kasi sarap. Grabe. Sarap talaga dito sa Japan. Kaya lahat ng mga turista dito talagang gusto nila kumain na kumain eh. Kasi ang sarap. Shortcut lang tayo, everyone. Mga vending machine, 170. Mahal? Check natin yung isang sakura tree. Dito malapit lang. Ang ganda ng ngayon, ng weather. Sobrang liwanag ng kalangitan. Talagang hindi kagaya kahapon. Sobrang ay naku, depressing yung weather. Maganda yung ganito, for me maganda yung ganitong weather kasi hindi naman siya mainit, hindi rin siya malamig. Humahangin lang talaga, medyo giginawin ka talaga pag humangin. Pero all in all, gusto ko yung ganitong weather. Wait lang, patawid na pala tayo. Visit natin yung isang sakura tree doon sa may kabila. Ayan. Check natin. Yung pinaka-highest dito is 15 degrees. Yung init ha. Yun yung mataas. Yung temperatura. Pero as of now, hindi naman siya ganun kalamig. Pag humahangin lang talaga, medyo malamig talaga siya. Pero kung hindi naman humahangin, carry lang. Ito na oh. Yan. Ito yung pinuntahan natin nung nakaraan. Medyo parang patapos na yung pag-bloom niya. Ito yung iba. Mulaklak pa lang. So balik na tayo sa pauwi na tayo sa apartment. Ayan. Doon tayo nang galing kanina. Ngayon, papunta na tayo sa apartment. Baka tapos na yung klase ni Jamie. May isa pala akong friend na nakasabay ko sa airplane. papunta dito sa Japan, please like and share and subscribe. I-flash ko dito yung YouTube channel niya. It's more on finance and technology. I think that's his content. Well, on the other hand, my content is more on with basic vlogs and video, also life update and walkthrough vlogs. Those are my kind of content creation. Doon tayo kanina. Kaya naman, uwi na tayo. So as of now, I am enjoying my holiday here in Japan. At saka, we went to a book off. I am going to upload a video as well. You can check it out. But at that time, it was yesterday and it was really raining. So we make it a point that every day, even if it's a bad weather, we're going to have something very special that we want to experience while I am here. That's a crow over there. You know what? They say that one of the most intelligent species of bird is crow. They have so many video about this kind of bird. This is very common in Japan. In the Philippines, it's more on with Maya, pigeon, sparrow. Correct me if I'm wrong. I think that was sparrow. So that's all for today, and thank you for staying in the vlog. And please give me a shout out. Thank you. Bye.